So here's how to insert YouTube video on Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. Suppose I need to add this video into my Microsoft Word document, so I will tap on the three dots and then tap on the share button. Then we need to copy the text from here, so tap on the copy and the link will be copied. All right, so let me just now go to my Word document right here, and then from here you need to select the insert on the left upper side and then simply tap on this online videos option. As you can see, guys, we can also paste like SlideShare, Vimeo, Steam, TED, SharePoint, add many more videos into the Microsoft Word as well. So now what you need to do, simply Ctrl V to paste the link that you have copied, and the video will be appeared somewhat like this, and then simply tap on the insert button and then the video will be added. Then you can adjust the video into your Microsoft Word page like this, and whenever someone want to open the video, he or she can simply tap on this button and then the video will be started onto your Microsoft Word, which is crazy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video and have a very good day.